Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam wa rahmatullah.
What do you do for a living?
I rev cars. Show us what you do.